Hi friends, hope you are well. Welcome back to my another SMTP mail server demo. Here I just configure Vista CP mail panel with Exim SMTP server, and I also included IP rotation with this server. So here is the server and Vista cPanel dashboard. So now here I added two IP, and let's ping our IP that it's whether it's transferring data or not. Commercial, then ping. So my client gave me two IP and I binded this IP with the server before the mail server setup. So check it's working. IP is working. So let's test now mail server. Go to mail tester. Just copy this email and let's send a test email to the mail tester and check our mail server setup score. Test email. This email is sent for test, and click send. Then check your score. So Alhamdulillah that we got 10 out of 10 score. Check, this is our from email address info@cloud incorporation, and this is the from email address here, and we got 10 out of 10 email setup score. This is our from IP. So we finally got 10 out of 10 setup score, and let's check our mail in the GMAS inbox tester. GMAS inbox test. Just copy all the email and send a test email to this mail list and check whether our email hitting in inbox or not. Just copy all the mail from GMAS inbox tester, and then click compose and add BCC, and click, write a subject line test email. This email is sent for test. Then click send. Just copy our email address and search. So our all mail landed in inbox. Check first mail landed in inbox, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So our all mail landed in inbox. This is our from email address. Here this is the from email address. So this is the trick, this is the expertise area. Then I can deliver your email in inbox after the mail server setup, after the new configuration domain, new server, and from fresh IP I can deliver mail in inbox. So what you think? Then if you can do IP warm-up properly, then you will get more good result. So I can give you guarantee that very few people in the marketplace can do this, that their mail will hit in inbox. No one can give you guarantee, but I can give you guarantee that your mail will hit in inbox after the mail server setup. Check all my mail landed in inbox. So if you want to contact with me, then I give you my email and WhatsApp number in the description box. You can contact with me, and I connected this email account SMTP. I connected this SMTP email account with my Mailwish. I connected this email account with client Mailwish for sending and managing the email campaign. So I also install Mailwish email sender software for you, for sending your email campaign and managing your email list. Okay, I connected this email sender software I connected this SMTP detail with Mailwish and send the email for managing email campaign, and I showed and I give you proof that my server email hitting in inbox. I just configured this server 2 hours ago and did this test. I also rotate the IP. So I hope you will get good result if you purchase my service. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, you can ask me. I give you my contact number and WhatsApp number in the description box. Just let me know. Thanks.